Welcome back, VA user. In today's session, we are going to cover how to create a physical inventory into the VA system. Now, what's basically the physical inventory? The physical inventory is a process in which the organization used to count the inventories in their warehouses to make sure that there is no difference between the system and into the physical stock. If there would be a certain difference, that would be adjusted not only in terms of quantities but also in terms of the cost. So that is the process that performs at the end of the week in some organization, it performs at the end of the month in some organization. So that is the physical inventory. How to do the physical inventory into the VA system? Let's move on to the VA system and we'll see how to generate the physical inventories. So I'm at my landing page and we just need to search the physical inventory from the menu. And that is the physical inventory window. If I want to generate the physical inventory records, then I will click on new, select for which warehouse we are counting, okay, and thereafter I just need to save this, and then I will say create inventory count list, okay, and I would be able to generate based on the locators. Let me close this. I click onto the wrong button, so click here and say for which locator you are counting. So let's say for the default locator I'm counting it for, and what you want to count, okay, whether the on-hand quantities you want to put as the count lines, or you want to set the count to 0 so that later on you will update that after actual physical counting, or it would be only for those product where the quantity is greater than 0 or less than 0 or equal to 0 or not to 0, okay. So we just need to place the right formula. So right now I'm saying it is greater than 0 and the count value to be set as on hand quantities. So when I will say click here, okay, so physical inventory count lines created, and here only those product will be considered by the system that has the that where some stock is already available. So if you can see, only those products inserted by the system here, okay. Now what I can do is, once I have this list available, I can take the printout of this record and I will move on to these products, and thereafter whatever the quantity I have available with me, it is mentioned here, that is the quantity count, and this is the quantity book that is there into the warehouse, and this is the count. Now if you think that the quantity count is not equal, then in this print format you would be able to enter your quantities, okay. And once you have entered your right quantities in this print format, and then you just need to come here and make the changes into the quantities wherever certain changes are needed, okay. So let's say it is not 5, it is going to be 10. So I would be able to make this change. I will say okay, and once all the stock is updated and the quantities are updated, then so it is 499 instead of 500. So I would be able to update, and once it is updated, thereafter I would be able to complete it. Now if I will complete with this, then what happens, the system will consider the same cost that is of the same cost that is available, but in some cases, you want to increase or decrease the cost, because this difference used to come because you have selected up, you found the product that is 1 year old, okay, somehow. So these are the cases basically. If you want to make the changes here, then there is some cost entry would be asked by the system at this particular level, okay. So you would be able to enter your cost as well based on certain settings, okay. Now once the changes are entered, you have to come here onto the header and you just need to complete. Once you will complete this, you would be able to see the system will updates the quantities, okay. So physical inventory into the VA system. So that is how you would be able to process a physical inventory into the VA system. And I hope this video will be beneficial for you. And in case if you have any doubt regarding the physical inventory, then do let us know. Put some comments and we'll revert you back, and if needed then we'll prepare a video for you guys. Okay, that's all for this video. If you like this video, then share it across with your colleagues and subscribe our channel. Till then, thanks a lot. Bye bye.